What if the next Canon APS-C camera isn't just an incremental spec bump, but an absolute power move that resets the entire crop sensor market? If you've been sitting on your wallet waiting for the Canon EOS R7 Mark III to drop this year, I've got some major news you need to hear, and it's going to require a little patience. The camera has officially been pushed back. The new launch window is locked for Q1 of 2027, most likely tracking right before the massive CP Plus show in February. Now, if you follow the leak cycles, you know this hurts. Early FCC certification filings showed confidentiality dates expiring mid-2026, which usually means a late May or June launch was the original plan. But trusted leak networks like Canon Rumors have confirmed Canon's APS-C flagship refresh is officially moving to next year. So why the sudden brake check? It comes down to a mix of product strategy and corporate profit margins. Right now, Canon is giving production priority to its high-margin full-frame bodies. Models like the incoming EOS R6V and the R8 Mark III are simply taking center stage because full-frame gear brings in higher profits in an incredibly aggressive, competitive market. Throw persistent component supply chain constraints on top of that, and Canon made a tactical choice. Instead of rushing a compromised R7 Mark III to store shelves, they are taking their time to align it with a much stronger 2027 lineup. But here is the silver lining. The extra wait time means the rumored specifications are getting genuinely insane. If these leaks hold true, the Mark III is going to be an absolute giant killer. The headline feature? A brand new 39 to 40 megapixel backside-illuminated stack sensor. That's a 20% jump in pure resolution over the original R7's 32.5 megapixels. But don't just focus on the megapixels. The word stacked is the real story here. This means ultra-fast readout speeds and virtually non-existent rolling shutter. If you shoot wildlife, birds in flight, or fast sports using the electronic shutter, this completely changes the game. To handle that massive data pipeline, Canon is rumored to step up its processing power by pairing the main engine with a secondary DIGIC Accelerator Lite chip. This is dedicated purely to deep learning, AI-driven autofocus tracking. We're talking sticky, bulletproof subject detection for animals, vehicles, and erratic subjects. Because of that combo, burst rates are rumored to hit a blistering 40 frames per second electronically, backed by a pre-capture buffer that saves the shot before you fully smash the shutter. On the video side, things get wild. We are tracking leaks pointing to 6K or even 8K raw internal recording. That elevates this from a pure wildlife body into a dangerous hybrid powerhouse for filmmakers and high-end content creators. To keep the lights on, it's expected to adopt the new high-voltage LP-E6P battery pack, alongside an upgraded in-body image stabilization system offering up to 8.5 stops of shake correction. Handheld telephoto shooting is going to feel like it's on a tripod. Even with the delay, the Canon EOS R7 Mark III is shaping up to be an absolute beast. But it leaves us with the ultimate question. Is it actually worth waiting until 2027? In Part 2, we're breaking down the massive body design changes, the new card slot configurations, price expectations, and exactly who should wait. Drop a comment below. Are you holding out or buying something else now? Catch you in the next one.